In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-step verification on Zoho Mail. We all know that securing our accounts is crucial in this digital age, but there may be situations where you need to disable certain security features temporarily or permanently, like two-step verification. Maybe you're switching devices, or there's another reason you need to adjust your settings. Whatever the case, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, let's begin by navigating to Zoho Mail. You can open up your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail login page. Enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged into your Zoho Mail account, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, look for your profile icon, which should be located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled as My Profile. Go ahead and click on My Profile. This is where you manage various settings related to your account. In the Profile section, you'll want to locate the My Account link. Clicking this will redirect you to a new page where you can further manage your account settings beyond what's available directly in Zoho Mail. Next, we are searching for the section related to authentication methods. Look for the Multi-Factor Authentication option and click on it. Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, is an added layer of security designed to ensure that you're the only person who can access your account, even if someone knows your password. While it's a great security benefit, today we're going to disable it. On the Multi-Factor Authentication Settings page, you should notice a switch or toggle for MFA settings. Click on this MFA switch. This action is essential because it will lead you to specific settings where you can both review and modify how your MFA is currently configured. Finally, after you've clicked on the MFA switch, you should see an option to disable the MFA. Click on Disable, and the process should be complete. Disabling two-step verification will remove that extra layer of security, so it's advisable to be cautious about the security of your account and ensure passwords remain secure. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled two-step verification on Zoho Mail. Remember, while disabled, your account may be more vulnerable, so it's crucial to consider this as a temporary measure whenever possible and re-enable it as soon as feasible. Thanks for watching and following along. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.